Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. Today I'm going to show you how to model a guitar in different parts. So this first tutorial is going to be modeling the body, and then we'll do the rest in another tutorial. So to get started, well, I'm going to go over to the File menu, Import. I've already downloaded a picture of a guitar as a reference, so I'm going to choose my guitar. Just make sure it's the right file format here. I'm choosing JPEG, and before I import it, I'm just going to make sure that this is checked. The image, use image as image, not texture. So use as image and then import. I usually bring it in, click here, the first point on the origin, and then just scale it up. I don't really know how big this is going to be just now, but yeah, I can look on the right hand side. I can see roughly just over a meter, like that. Double check the size with a tape measure tool. I can always rescale this picture if it's miles off, but yeah, I can keep it like that, no problem. So like I say, we're just going to do the body, which is just this part here. I can see that the guitar is symmetrical, so it means that I can, if I draw a line down the middle and split it up into two, then I only have to draw or model half of it, and then I'll just copy it over. So first thing, I'm going to take the line, we'll start here actually, and split it up into two. It's a little bit off. I'm going to move it slightly to the right, just a little bit there. Yep, perfect. So I think actually the first step could be to draw the circle. So that's already in place. So circle, I've got the amount of sides down on the right is 20. You can increase it if you want, but then it takes up more memory. So yeah, choose it wisely. A little bit off that, let's see, around there. Yeah, we can put it there, no problem. So the main shape, well, it's just curves all the way around. Maybe the last bit is a line, straight line, but we're going to start with curves. So I'm going to take a 2-point arc, which is here. Maybe start around here to here, and just try and trace the lines. You probably won't get it exact, but it's no problem. Just do whatever you can, like so, and just keep going around tracing the lines. Just get as close as you can. Zoom in. If it doesn't want to snap in the right place, zoom in even more, and it should work like this. You can go around there. Yeah, we could do the last bit now. Let's see. There. Okay, and that's just to finish the top piece off here with the arch. So it's A on the keyboard, and when I click this arch now, it should make a surface, and there it is, perfect. So what we could do is delete these so I can see where the actual circle is, and then I'm going to select just half of the guitar, take move, click on control, and take a copy, and then I'm going to mirror it around itself. You can actually use the mirror if you want, or another way to do it is you scale, click on the middle points here, and then pull it through itself, and it should snap when it's at the right size. So there, you see it just snapped into place. Then it's just to move it back into the middle. You can delete this line now in the middle, a center point, and this one too. Now if you wanted, now I can't see the actual drawing underneath this, so I could either turn the opacity down, put some material on this like this one, and then go into edit, take the opacity down so I can see the guitar anyway underneath. That means I can draw this black line as well. So maybe I can offset this circle a little bit. Choose offset, select it, offset. Nope, not going to work. I have to put a surface on that and then offset it like this. Zoom in a little bit, so that, and then again, maybe one more. It's a little bit off here, but it's no problem. Then the next part is to draw this black part, also roughly just curves. So we can take the 2-point arc, start around here, that, and quite a big arch here, so we can go all the way to around there. So I don't think you'll get the whole thing in one arch, because it's different shapes, so we have to do a few different kind of arches. Make sure, it could easily snap wrong as well. You see this one wants to stand up, so make sure you zoom in so it doesn't go along the blue axis, so that it's standing straight up. We carry on around here, and then I'm going to meet the circle here like so, and this can be a straight line straight to the circle, and there we got the surface as well. You can also do this part as well, just simplifying everything just now. So I'm just going to draw a straight line across, go down, come in a little bit, then it's going to be an arch from here to here, another arch here. I could have actually just done half of it and done a copy, but it's no problem. And then a straight line just to finish it off. I can hold down the shift button and then click on this existing point here, then I know it's going to finish at the same point. And there, just click on it to make sure it's created a surface. So that's the parts we need for the body. If I could just move the reference picture away so you can see what we got. I can take this part away too, the center line, and make the hole in the middle. Click on this. No, it didn't create the surface. If you can see, the line is a little bit thicker than the other ones. Well, usually if you trace over it, it just yeah, we can just delete this. Oh, wait. Make the hole there instead. So next thing is we can give it a thickness. Take push pull. Can move it down like this. Make it like, yeah, I don't know, 100 millimeters or so, like this. And then if it's I can make this one just come up just slightly, and the edges of the circle as well, can bring those up and give those a thickness. And we can do this one too. Now I can put a different material on this one. This one was black here, so if I choose the black solid color, I can go around the edges as well, make that black. Like this. I don't think it actually created a surface there, but we can, there you go. And the last bit here and here. So there you go, there we got the black thing, and this was also black here, so we can go around and just click on the surfaces where you want to have the black color. One more on the edge. Yes, And then the actual body of the guitar, well, we could take a wood color. So go into the drop down menu here under the materials, choose wood, and yeah, choose something that you like. Maybe this one. It's a little bit blurry. We'll try this one. Yeah, it's better. If you wanted to change the color, you can go to edit, go further over to the beigey color like this here, maybe, and a bit lighter or darker. Yeah, I'll keep it like that. And that's just to click on the other surfaces. What you could do is look at it in the front view, select all those edges or surfaces, take the paint bucket, which is B on the keyboard, and then just click them all, so you change it all at once. This is what we don't want in the bottom though, a hole all the way through, so just click on an existing line and draw a new line and put the material on here again like this. Same with this part, take the line and trace over an existing line. It should create a new surface, and then if you wanted to, you could delete these lines like so, or use the eraser. It goes quicker, you don't have to click delete every time. You just click on the line and it should disappear. So yeah, just all tips and tricks of how to model quicker. And the last one, now the hole is back again. So if we want to create the hole, now maybe I've drawn this slightly wrong. No, it's perfect. Click on this, and again we have to zoom in. Or just do an extrusion like that. Click delete these lines here. And if you wanted to have these a different color, go back to the wood and yeah, choose something a little bit different so it stands out. I'm gonna click on the no, we can do the bottom half as well here of the circle. Almost done like that. Then I'm going to hold down Alt and I'm going to take the pipette and get this material back, and then click on the inside of the guitar so it's all the same color like this. And keep rotating around, click on all of it like that. And then you can see the lines still on the inside from the shape we deleted before. So it's just to take the eraser again, click on those lines and delete them. It's good to take away any excess lines. Well, there you go, that went pretty quick, and we've already got the body of the guitar. So next time we'll do the rest and put the strings on there and things like that, and the keys to tighten it up with. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again for part 2 of this tutorial.